Democratic majority there. It doesn't seem to work out that well, and I know Rick, I know Patrick served with him. He's an able member who would be a great deal of help to us.
Colonel Noriega.
Great. Colonel Noriega, that's right. He has a distinguished record of service for our country, and I honor him for that. We can disagree here agreeably today, but there's no doubt what lies ahead for us with the Republican National Committee. They have already purchased 40 domain names with titles like Can't Trust Clinton, Barack the Beginner, Hopeless Hillary, and Yes We Can Do What? As Republicans, we know that if they realize that their campaign's going down the drain, they're going to throw the kitchen sink at us and hope some of us will throw in the towel. And if there's anyone here who